All right, welcome back to the channel. We're getting low right now. Today, I'm going to show you how to fold your dough block in a unique way, martial arts way, if you want to call it. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me pull the camera down a tiny bit so I can get this in full view. A little more. All right. Okay, so first off, you want to get your top and want to just lay it on its back. And you want to make sure that the back part is completely flat on the ground. And then your right over left, so let's go ahead and do this the right way. So your left one is going to go in first and make sure the ends kind of meet up, and then the bottom part kind of touches each other. Same thing with this side. And up there. Now this one seems a little bit long, but that'll work. And make sure the two seams line up on the bottom side here. All right, cool. All right, and then make sure everything is flat, and you're just pretty much going to be following the lines of the dough block itself, okay? The arms, and you should have a pretty, like if you fold it, these heavier weight uniforms, they'll have a natural fold in through its lifetime. That's what makes these dough blocks so neat. So now what you're going to do is make sure everything's flat. And then we're going to start on either arm. It doesn't matter, but let's start on this arm. What we're going to do is going to fold it in on itself. Then make sure that you get all the hair and fibers off of the arm. You want to fold it in on itself, and then you want to take this side, fold back on itself right on the edge, then make sure everything is squared up good, so everything is flat, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other arm. So fold in on itself right on the seam, brush off any particles, lint, a little bit of hair. Dog was walking in here the other day, so. And then fold in on itself like that. Good. All right, so now you got kind of a rectangle. And now we're going to hold off right here for a second. Now we're going to move to the pants. We can go ahead and slide that off to this side. And now we're going to grab our pants. And same thing, we're going to just fold it directly. See if I can get this in the view. Good. All right. Okay, so fold it correctly. Just let it lay on the ground. And then if you have a tie, the ties are in front, of course. And just go ahead and lay those across from each other. Now, if anyone has a problem with wardrobe malfunction, this is the proper way to tighten your waist. And I found this out by trial and error, and I take my loops out of the notches here when I have them on, and I pull from the back side. So I'm pulling back here, and it tightens up the back, and it tightens everything, and then you can come in, and maybe I'll show that one day on another video, but you will not, these will not come undone or fall off your, during a competition or testing. But anyways, so let's go ahead and fold one side to the other, and they should have a good, they should lay on top of each other pretty evenly. And then you want to take the crotch area and pull that little diamond shape out. Okay, so it looks just like that. Hope that's in a good mirror. And then we want to just kind of fold that in if you like. You can fold that in. Lighter weight uniforms, everything will lay out a bit better than heavier weight uniforms. But this is my heavyweight uniform. So, and it's a very, very nice uniform. So what we're going to do is now you want to lay the pants right on top, right in the middle of the dough block. And then what you want to do is just even it up on the collar right there. And then what you want to do is, see this little hangover? What we want to do is just fold that hangover in on itself, right like that. All right, okay. So now we take one or the other side, doesn't matter. I usually go on the left side because I'm a lefty. So then I'm just gonna fold it right onto itself like that, and then go to the other side, fold it in. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna start from the bottom first. Okay, so now we are going to take the bottom, grab both sides, and then we're just gonna fold it once like that. And of course, the lighter weight uniforms, you'll get a whole lot better fold than heavyweights. Heavyweight ones, you really have to kind of fight with a little bit. Okay, so it's folded once, and then you're gonna fold it again on top of itself, right there. And we turn it over. Nice square pants, and the top are combined, and your logo is shown on the back, and you can rock your logo. And with your belt, just go ahead and put your belt with it, and that's it. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And there it is. Go ahead and put that in your bag and get to class. So if you have any questions, go ahead, like and subscribe. Put them down in the comments below. Till next time, train hard, train smart. See you then.